Hey there! Are you ready to explore a new and exciting creative technique, painting with strips of paper? I'm excited to announce the launch of my long-awaited online course, focused on creating low-relief paper artworks by folding and edge-gluing strips of paper to imitate three-dimensional brushstrokes. As you might already know if you follow me on social media, I'm known for developing a new form of paper quilling, one that allows for a more expressive way of making art, pushing the boundaries of this centuries-old craft and reimagining what painting in the third dimension can look like. It's taken me over a decade to shape and refine this unique method of painting with paper, and in this course I'll be teaching you everything I've learned, both the practical skills to create intricate artworks and the mindset that helps you flow with the process and truly enjoy it. Using nature-inspired motifs as a starting point for this new approach to art making will lay down the foundational principles that will serve as a roadmap for your own future creations. This course is perfect for intermediate-level artists, whether you have a prior experience using paper in other techniques or a basic understanding of art fundamentals. For example, a passion for working with color and an interest in paper as a material will definitely enhance your experience. But if you're an ambitious beginner who enjoys a creative challenge and doesn't mind venturing into a process where not every step is set in stone, you'll find a wealth of knowledge in this course to explore and grow from. Once you purchase the course, you'll gain immediate access to all the lessons. You can move through the content at your own pace and revisit it as often as you need. This is the first opportunity of this kind to learn directly from me, and I couldn't be more excited to share this with you. If you are drawn to the unique style of my 3D paper artworks and the emotions they evoke, I warmly invite you to join me and begin your own expressive adventure with paper today. Before we dive in, I'd like to give you a quick overview of what's included in the course and walk you through the structure of the modules. We begin with Module 1, which serves as an introduction. I'll start by sharing a bit about my artistic journey, followed by a detailed look at the tools and materials you'll need for the course. We'll also cover how to set up your workspace and discuss some of the nuances of the creative process. Module 2 is all about paper. We'll explore different colors and weights, learn how to cut paper into strips, organize your materials, and source the extra heavy card needed for outlines, including a DIY method for creating your own extra thick paper strips. Module 3 explores the core technique of painting with paper. We'll learn how to create three-dimensional brushstrokes, which are at the heart of this method, and focus on gaining control over their shape and size through a series of practical exercises. Building on that, we'll practice mixing colors to expand your palette. We'll also cover several additional paper manipulation techniques and apply them in a fun, simple project where we'll create an abstract flower design. Modules 4 and 5 are dedicated to full-scale projects where I guide you through the entire process of creating an artwork from start to finish. In Module 4, we'll create a cheerful yet sophisticated sunflower artwork with a focus on building rich color variations within the yellow spectrum. In Module 5, we'll take things further with a toucan design that involves more intricate details and introduces new ways to refine your creative process. The final module shifts focus to what comes after your artwork is complete. We'll briefly discuss how to photograph your artwork, explore tips for preserving and displaying it, and I'll share some guidance on choosing your own reference images for future projects. So whenever you're ready, let's begin your journey into the world of painting with paper strips.